Good morning, student. Welcome back to this session. So, dear student, in the previous session, we are discussed about audio conference. What are the audio conference? What is audio conference? What is audio conference uses in business? What are the stage of audio conference? What are the types of audio conference? How it help or what are the advantages of audio conference, benefits of audio conference and limitation of audio conference. In this session, we are discussing about web conference and webinars. So go to introduction. The term web conference encompasses collaboration technologies that enable user to place call via an application over the internet through software downloaded locally to a computer or device or in an on premises environment. Web conferencing encompasses popular real-time collaboration solutions like video conferencing, screen sharing, document sharing, and online meetings. Meaning of web conference. A web conference basically an online presentation or event. It can be professor giving a lecture or company provide quarterly business wide update. Also know a webinar So, there's audio and visual, and anybody can join the session as long as they have a link to the meeting, a mobile device like phone, tablet, or computer, and of course, an internet connection. Once Once an attendance click link, it will open up web browser or video conferencing app where you can view the web conference. Web conference is a good for presentation, e-learning, meeting where you just need to share information and does not need collaboration. Because web conferences are typically large scale online events. You might have anywhere from 10 to hundreds or even thousands of attendants joining from all over the world. Web conferencing enable the real-time sharing of computer screen, individual applications or web-based content among two or more computers or mobile device. Web conferencing platform may be internet based and delivered via software as a service or may run with entrepreneurs data centers in an on premises delivery mode. Most web conferencing platforms support voice and video conferencing. Some platforms also support screen annotation, polling, speaker management, chat, discussion, share whiteboards, and much more. Platforms that support video conferencing may also integrated with room-based video conferencing system. Web conferencing allow user to conduct business meeting, seminars, lead presentation, provide online education, and offer direct customer support via remote keyboard, mouse control. Control of the session can be passed among users. So, any attendance can act as the main presenter. Most web conferencing platforms are accessible via a web browser, but downloading and installing a client is often required to take advantage of all features such as voice and video conferencing and content sharing. In year 2016, the update of web conferencing. How secure is your web conferencing service? Millionaires and mobile work are steering web conferencing in future. Read guide before make your text video conferencing purchase. Find the video conferencing system that best for your enterprise. Employee input key to the deployment. So some Cisco. I will later you discuss. I will give some example. Cisco, WebEx, Microsoft Team. Cisco WebEx is a video conference and collaboration product too, and Team software is also video conferencing also. So web conferencing is actually blanket term for several ways to meet, present and collaborate online, including webcast and webinars. The term web conferencing is also used to interchangeable with video conferencing due to the ability to see other participants via live video stream. Crucially, though, an important distinction between the two in the quality and the security of the live video stream and the difference in the equipment required. Web conferencing is facilitated online over the public internet and affords multiple participants the ability to connect, and work together visually using their laptop or mobile device. Usually facilitated by the platform or cloud-based application are accessible by either downloading the application to your desktop or a URL in your web browser for webcast or meeting where participants are required only to watch and listen to presenter. Web conference is less expensive and more accessible than true high definition, means high definitions, HD, high-end video conference. Dispute its lower video and audio quality compared to HD video conferencing. Web conferencing has earned its rightful place as very effective business communication tool for everyday meetings, allowing users to share screen and documents on demand and enabling business to reduce their business related travel cost. Webcast. A webcast is a type of web conferencing that involves one-way transmission and is non-interactive. The host presentation information via audio or video stream over the internet and may use screen sharing to present visual aids like PowerPoint presentation or slides packs and video or documents. Each participant connect to the host webcast via link provided by the host using their desktop or computer, laptop or mobile device. Webinar. Meaning of webinar. Webinar are incredible, flexible and useful tools for presenting and collaborating on information and projects. You can work on project in real time without team having to be present in the same physical location. Short for web-based seminar. It is there. It is web-based seminar. A webinar is a type of web conference that allows for collaboration and interaction between a presenter or host and their audience. Webinars enable the host to give an interactive presentation where two-way communication is possible between all the participants via live chat, whiteboard, or other embedded features. The polls and survey, Q&A session, and content sharing features also facilitate communication between large groups. It is possible to stream audio and share video, documents, application with other participants during the webinar. It is important to understand that there is no single best web or video conferencing solution or one size fits all. Considering the goal and structure of your meeting, and choose the option and conference provider that will be you to hold high quality and effective conference. If you want to hold non-interactive presentation in which you will be the sole speaker to large audience, a webcast is the best option. If you need to collaborate on the project or document and interact with your audience, then webinar will be work better. If audio and video quality and security are on the top of your list and you have the mean to invest in a trusted conferencing company and the specialized equipment needed, then video conferencing will be a right choice for your business. So, importance of web conference. Improving communication. Improves communication. A report by Fabrice Tellers, reporter by Forbes, tells that humans process visual information far faster and more adaptable than text or audio. The reporter Forbes, F-O-R-B-S, Forbes, tell that humans process visual information far faster, more updated than text or audio. And relative to audio conferencing, 62% of executives agreed that video conferencing significantly improves the quality of communication. In addition, 50% of those surveyed believe video conferencing also improving the degree of understanding. Whether you are a small business owner or a part of large company, clear communication is critical to understanding the project, setting expectations, and meeting your goals, which make video conferencing a win no matter how you look at it. Helps in build relationship. Helps build relationship. When you meet face to face, you can make personal connection, pick up on oral and non-verbal cues, and begin to build trust. And while there may be critical connection that you all need to travel for, video conferencing can help bridge the gap for all other meetings, while still helping you connecting on the personal level. For the skeptics among us, researchers show that video conferencing is widely regarded as a helpful tool. In one study, 98% of the respondents indicate that the technology has helped them build relationships inside and outside their companies. Save the money. By giving your team a simple way to meet face to face, video conferencing delivers a collaborative in-person experience without the expense of travel. Not only that, but with the power to meet virtual, we can hire the best talent and allow them to work anywhere. And once you get comfortable with the technology, it may even inspire you to expand your remote workforce. So you can hire the best talent no matter where they live. Save times because you can meet virtual anywhere. Video conferencing allow you to save travel time, but it can also help you save time in other ways by asking a meeting rather than working through an visual via email. It can eliminate the disruption of a barrage of message, reducing confusion, and get your team on the same page faster. One survey even showed that 89% of respondents believed audio conferencing helped reduce the amount of the time taken to complete project or task. Streamlines collaboration. The best video conferencing technology delivers more than just way to see and hear your team. In offer collaboration tools like screen sharing and real-time document editing, so it's easy for everyone to examine the files they need and contribute to the discussion. Improves efficiency. Clear communication by way of verbal and non-verbal cues, screen sharing, real-time collaboration, and the power to join from virtual anywhere make video conferencing a more efficient use of everyone's time. Increases productivity because video conferencing make it easy to collaborate on documents in real time. You would not have to contend with long email chains, lost message in document commitment, and versions control issues, all of which can cause us confusion, misunderstanding, and delays. By having the power to hop on the call and collaborate in the real time, you can ensure everyone has a voice. All feedback get incorporated and questions answered immediately. And you can quickly brainstorm as a team and make sure that everyone understands the project before leaving the meeting. Plus, because video conferencing eliminates the need to travel, your team can devote more time to their activities even on the day when they have meeting. Make scheduling meeting easier. Make scheduling meeting easier. If members of your team travel regularly, scheduling meeting can be a challenge, but with video conferencing they can join in from the particularly when anywhere, including taxis, hostel rooms, airport, their home office, or and more. And because they can do it using almost any device, scheduling face-to-face meeting and keeping everyone up to date is easier. Create consistent, accurate records. When you asked an in-person meeting or an audio-only call, taking notes usually falls to someone on your team, and given the fast pace of conversation and our feasibilities or fallibilities, details can easily fall through the cracks. But with video conferencing technology that also lets you record and transcribe meetings, you can keep all the details intact. Not only that, but you can refer back to them when questions arise and share the session with those who could not attend, which make it easy to keep everyone on the same page. Enables live events. Whether you want to connect with your entire team, your complete client, roster, or the public, video conferencing tools can help. With the power to share your message visually, these tools give you the ability to ask panel discussion, webinars, product launches, and more for audience in your office or around the world. The best video conferencing technology delivers more than just a way to see and hear your team. It offers collaboration tools like screen sharing and real-time document editing. So it's easy for everyone to examine the files they need and contribute to the discussion. With the help of the right provide onboarding, video or web conferencing can seamless and stress-free. Use either web or video conferencing to connect with remote workers or team across the multiple cities or locations. Talk to customers and suppliers face to face, run training sessions, launch product and services, make presentation to senior managers, or present and demo your product and service to prospects, or ask your provider to help with web or video conference events with managed Q&A session. As with a video conference, connecting to web conference require a webcam, a microphone, a monitor and a sound system and web browser. On a basic level, it also requires an internet connection and a code for audio and video compressions. Broadly, a web conferencing provides web meeting, webcast and webinar solution. It can also be platform to offline events. A web conferencing platform can have built-in advanced features. These include screen sharing, instant messaging, desktop sharing, remote control, file sharing, and an interactive whiteboard. Some will also allow user to schedule meeting and send automatically invitations to attendance. Web conferencing platform also need to include security features. A web conferencing software can be part of a unified communication system. Typical business will save more on integrated web conferencing tools. Features of web conferencing: easy of use, full set of feature, security. These are the sub features of web conferencing. Easy of use. If the web conferencing software is hard to use, setting of meetings, signing into meetings and holding the meetings themselves, you are likely going to abandon it before you can recap the benefit. Look for simple user experience from any device that does not require plug in or download it. Full set of features. Can you screen share during a web conference? Video conference pull the audience, whiteboard to be brainstorm new ideas, record the call, being able to do more than hold just an audio call, and elevate your meeting to true collaboration. Security. Vital to protect your conversation from prying ears and eyes. Be sure your web conference solution has built-in multi-layer security that does not compromise your experience. Why use web conference? What are the reason using web conference? A web conferencing solution provides many benefits over in-person virtual meeting or voice only conferencing, such as remote meeting. A remote workers or officer are a reality for many organizations. Web conferencing allows for face-to-face meeting with team members or clients from anywhere with an internet connection. Balancing busy schedule. Even when teams are in the same location, a video conferencing system makes it easier to get together on the fly. Virtual conference room. Robust web conferencing platform allow for collaborative meeting online with screen sharing, built-in whiteboard and ability to share files. Easy mobile access. Easy mobile access. Since web conferences are over the internet, mobile app allow user to connect while on the road. Save on travel cost. Not only can business save on the computing cost, but they can also avoid costly boardrooms rentals. So we are before going to what I do need for web conference. So I give some visual and verbal communication about web conferencing. Allow the company to effectively combine the advantage of typical phone conversation and those live video feed. It also provides the ability to conduct chat during the web conference. This means we can type text and communicate verbal to other attendants of the conference. With instant access to the internet, you can also access any necessary files right on your desktop and share them with other attending conference in real time. So in reduced travels, so some of the other use of the web conference, reducing the travels. So traveling, whether domestic or international, always has a financial impact on your business. Constantly having to pay for air ticket or hotel accommodation and parking tolls can exact funds and resources. In addition, when vital person in your business has to travel, you are left short-handed, possible for days. Web conference reduce the need for the travel. Personal or face-to-face meeting can be conducted through web with participant coming from location around the world. File sharing. Web conference allow for sharing and manipulating of the almost any type of programs and documents. What do I need web conferencing? What do I need for web conferencing? Creating strong business relationship require close collaboration, and close collaboration start with effective meeting that extend behind a simple phone call. Should business still move forward with the help of regular phone calls, but make your meeting virtual, can dial those call up and not pardon the pun. How can you make that happen? How you can be update your call and meetings with the web conferencing technology? The users can hold a web conferencing via desktop or video device. The first step of any web conferencing, regardless of device, is to install conferencing software. There are a number of web conferencing tools available, but those that rise to the top. How does web conference work? After you selecting the solution that check all of the right boxes for your company need, be sure that you have the right foundation for the technology. Modern conferencing technology requires robust, reliable and highly secured unified communication infrastructure to power web conferencing solution and services. Unified communication integrates call control and session management, web conferencing gateways and unified management to deliver increased productivity and controlled cost. With unified communication, users can also determine if their conferencing solution, both web and video, are best developed via the cloud, on premises, or in hybrid configuration. Unified communication ensures that no matter where or how you place your web conference, you get the same experience each and every time. Web conferencing and the modern workplace. Web conferencing tools are fast becoming an integral part of the modern workplace. Companies of all sizes across all industry are embracing more economical, more collaborative way of working, and web conferencing software can be crucial means to help your organization increasing productivity and boost innovation. So next, so the advantage of web conference. There are many advantages of using web or video conferencing. Here, break down the top. There are three top advantages: cost effective and streamlines communication, increasing productivity. So everyone cost effective. So everyone has desktop, laptop or mobile device, and where investment in video conferencing equipment may be expensive in the long term. Video or web conferencing will save your business money as it significantly reduces travel cost. Streamlines communication. In a modern workplace, employee can be working remotely across the global and are no longer confident to work in the same physical location. A video conference or webinar will ensure remote workers feel like part of the team and ensure communication is cleared. Increasing productivity. Staff training and meeting can be made much more efficient with online video conferencing and webcast, as they can be attended by all the employees no matter their location, improving communication between employees and departments. This allows meeting to faster and more decision focused, enhancing engagement and allowing employees to get the work done. Three good practice for preparing your webinars. Leave room for emotions. For webinar to provoke commitment and be a beautiful webinar, it must arose in a passion. With a top speaker, a popular conference subject, an exceptional live marketing commitment is emotional. Do not just talk about your business. Content marketing is like first day. If you want to talk about yourself, there will be a second date. Respect the decision making part of the buyers. Your webinar, or rather your webinars, because the rhythm and regularity are important while answering the questions of the customer. Here there are three practice of preparing webinars. First stage of the buying cycle. Awareness. The prospect will identify is needed. Second step, consideration. Compare and study offer. Third stage, the decision to select and perform the act of purchase. These are the three good practice of the webinar. The 5 tips for successful generation of webinar. The promote early and often. If you are building your webinar cleanly, internet users will come, but only if you promote it. Use all possible channels: email campaign, social network, paid advertising, website, etc. Also, make sure that your sales team send out invitation to their prospects and customers. The more you work to promote your webinar, the more participants you have and your frame will be improved using the webcam. The webinar can be a very engaging experience for the participant. But if you just scroll through PowerPoint slides and add a voice over, you will miss a real opportunity to create a real connection with your audience. Consider the webinar as a lecture you give before a physically present audience. You will want the audience to focus on you and on what you say. The slides should just come in support of the key point you develop. Ask the public. Voting with the public is a great way to stimulate your engagement and keeping their attention. Integrate survey into your webinars. Share the result of these studies live with the public so they can see what other webinar participants are thinking. Create individual slides for each webinar. Do not overload your text slides because a webinar is often viewed on a small computer screen. Use great visual and short headlines to convey your message. If you are viewing data, make sure to present them in a chart or diagram of interest. The follow-up to attract additional internet users. Once the live webinar is over, you still have the opportunity to attract additional prospects to watch it on demand. And as long as the presentation is up to date, it can appear in your content library and continues to attract new leads. This will help improve the reputation of your business. So, if you are looking for a new way to do lead generation, try the webinar. You will realize that this is an excellent way to engage your prospects and create more opportunity of your sales team This will increase your brand awareness. Specialized webinar programs. Adobe Connect, Cisco Webex, Got Meeting, Fuse, Zoom, Microsoft Teams. We sure to choose one that meets your organization security requirements. These are above, and these are webinar program display are launched. There are specialized in the app, this app. So most platforms charge a monthly or yearly fees, but many let you try before you buy. If you do not want to pay subscription fee, try Skype, group call or Google Hangouts instead. Key points. Webinar are real-time online meeting and learning experience allowing people to attend from the different location. We can use them for group training, sales, presentation and marketing purpose. A great webinar engage its audience, delivers information, stimulate debates and promotes action and feedback. To run successful webinar, give yourself plenty of time to research and choose the right platform for your needs. Think about what you want to achieve and incorporate variety into your presentation so that you engage people and make the event memorable. Webinar for internal communication. Reach all the employees. Does your organization have premises at different location or a different time zones? Webinar is the ideal media to get your message across the unambiguously, live and on demand. With the on demand version, your story is also available to employees who are unable to attend the webinar live. Everyone can watch the recording at any time. Our brains simply love image. The willingness of the employees to receive the information via video is many times greater than with written documentation. Research shows that we remember 95% of image and only 10% of written message. Not surprising because our brain process imagine 60,000 times faster than the written text. High engagement. The webinar has the added advantage for the video that is interactive. We see that the involvement during the webinar is high. The viewer follow a webinar on average 47 minutes out of 54. In the other word, viewer not only view very large part of the webinar, they also participate actively. Train your staff. You can also use webinar for training and other education purpose. You can choose what level employee have to meet in order to be accredited. Think of minimum attendance rate and multiple choice exam. With the on-demand webinar, the employer have the opportunity to follow the training whenever it suits them, and even then they can be automatically accredited. Data insights. The most important reason to use the webinar is that people are often in different locations and cannot be there live. But do not forget the additional benefits. Our webinar platform also offers the possibility for interaction. Viewers can ask questions and respond to survey. All this data is archived. In this way, our platform store relevant participant data such as chat question, survey, poll and test result can click behavior. More than snapshot. It would be shame if the message can only be shared during the live broadcast. The Then on demand version enable you to take the webinar available afterwards as well. In this way, more people become familiar with your message and you build an archive of the webinar. Okay, dear student, I will hope you well understanding about the web conference and webinars. So in the next section we will meet. Thank you very much.